Welcome to dear friend of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we can switch the mode of our device sound to vibration mode and to silent mode. Also we can just activate the temporary mode here for 1 hour, 2, or just set a custom time. Also we have here the vibration while device ringing feature, so we can turn it on or turn it off. Then we can change here the ringtone notification on system sounds. We can use also the to change the ringtone media notification and system volumes just by swipe to the left or to the right side this blue dot. Also we can change the volume button function, so if we'll activate this switcher, we'll use our volume buttons here on the right side of the device to change the media, but if we'll turn it on, we'll change the ringtone volume. Also we have here the vibration pattern, so we can switch it. The notification vibration pattern, the call and notification. We can switch also here the vibration intensity here. And here we have also the system sounds. We can turn on or turn off all of them just by click once on each of the switchers here. So we can use activate the touch interactions, screen lock, unlock sounds, the charging sounds, dial pad tones, and Samsung keyboard, and also the same but vibration settings. And here we have also sound and quality effects. We can here change the equalizer settings and use the adapt sounds here. So for different here we can set it for media and calls, only for media or only for calls, and switch the year here. And also we have here the separate app sounds, so we can turn it on or turn it off. So here we can play the media sound from apps which you'll select on the separate audio devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.